If you don't want to find yourself in a situation like this, then come very close. Let me show you how to hide your WhatsApp chat for more security and privacy. Let's go.
Come to your WhatsApp application, and once it opens this way, look out for that very chat you want to hide from your partner. Please note that this tutorial is for educational and awareness purpose. Okay, now once you get to that very chat, using this my younger brother for example, now click on the chat. Once it opens this way, click on the person's name above the screen there. Now once you click on it, it will open like this. Just scroll up to chat lock and toggle it on, and then click on continue button and enter the code or the pin you use to unlock your phone. Then once it is like this, you return back to WhatsApp main interface this way. What you just need to do now, because the chat has been locked, swipe down the menu like this. Now you will see locked chat. Now click on it and confirm your pin to unlock your screen. What you just need to do is to click on this button here at the top there and click on chat lock settings. Now come to create secret code, click on it and enter any digit number that you can easily remember. Now click on next, repeat the number again and then click done. Now return back to WhatsApp main interface this way. Once you open your WhatsApp application, to access that very locked chat, you just need to swipe down like this to reveal locked chat. Once you click on it, it will request for that code you created. Use secret code. Click on it and enter the code this way and click on continue. The chat will open again. Now if you don't want it to be appearing this way whenever you open your WhatsApp, even if you swipe down like this, the locked chat will not appear. What you just need to do is to click on the locked chat, enter your password to confirm it, click on the three dots and click on chat lock settings. Now come to hide locked chat, toggle it on and then use my secret code. Click on it. Now enter the code again, or you can use any other one if you like for that very particular one. Once you have it done like this, let's return back to WhatsApp and open it again. If you swipe it down, you cannot see that very locked chat again. Now to access that chat again, this is what you need to do. Come over to this search bar, tap on it and type in that particular password you've created. They will appear. Have you seen it now? Just click on it, the locked chat will appear. Even if you have more than 20 persons here, all of them will appear simultaneously. So remember that I told you that this tutorial is for educational purpose and for awareness purpose. Okay, so don't say that na me teach you waiting you take the cheat on your partner. So